In this video, we are going to be looking into the Forex calendar for the week. We will also take a look at the market sentiment and take a look at some charts to see possible trading opportunity that we have. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adibola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living and I disciple others to success in Forex. I want to welcome you to this video. I'm so excited. This is the week of Easter, and be very careful with your trading because the market is going to be very volatile, even though we have so many fundamental release coming out this week. And do me a favor, if this is the first time you are stumbling on my video and you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with your friend, and leave your comment at the comment section of this video. And if you have been visiting our channel but you have not subscribed, come on now, what are you waiting for? Smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and with that you are showing your support and it helps us with YouTube algorithm. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that and we'll dive into today's video in a second. All right, so welcome back. As you can see, this is our calendar for this week. So depends on when you are watching this video. On Monday is clear, as you can see. Tuesday, by Tuesday 7:30 a.m. we will be having the CPI data release. That will be Bureau of Labor Statistics. So this will definitely move some major currency pairs and indices. And also 9 p.m. tomorrow we are looking to New Zealand official cash rate. So this will have to do with the interest rate of New Zealand, and so any New Zealand courses, expect them to move at this particular time. Then on Wednesday also by 1 a.m. this will be for those that normally trade the London breakout. So this will be GBP. As you can see, the data also will be released, and this will be in change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers. So definitely this will move a GBP crosses. That will be on Wednesday morning. Very interesting. 7:30 also we're expecting the PPI reports. That will be USD. So basically some people worry themselves about the forecast, the previous. The truth of the matter is that if you are trading the news, you don't have the time to be looking into the figures because you want to focus on what the chart is telling you. Sometimes the news will come out positive and the trade will go other way. So it's not really about the figure, even though it matters, especially when you are trading the news. And you can do 4 things with the news. You can avoid to trade the news, you can trade the news, you can trade before the news, and you can trade after the news. Okay, so on the same Wednesday we are expecting Canadians bank. As you can see right there, BOC monetary policy report, BOC rate statement, overnight rate. So Canadian dollars, get ready on Wednesday. So any peers, any Canadian dollars crosses, and also peers like a USD card, GBP card, expect them to move seriously on Wednesday. As you can see, it's a busy day for Canadian dollars. Okay, as you can see right there. Also on same Wednesday, Aussie dollars employment change and unemployment rate. That will be in the evening, Asian session. So get ready for that. Courses like a Euro AUD, GBP AUD, AUD card, and so on and so forth. That will be a good time to trade that. I'm in Central Time, I live in Dallas, so this will be like 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And on Thursday we're looking into Euro and of course USD. So it's going to be a busy week, but make sure that you trade with every consciousness. Okay, so let's take a look at the currency strength. Definitely with all the forthcoming news and the fundamental release that we just talked about, we expect that this will definitely change. Okay, this will definitely change as time goes on, because you can see now only JPY is the weakest. Of course, Bitcoin also is weak, but like this GBP, Euro, Canadian dollars, New Zealand dollars, and the Aussie dollars, even USD, based on everything that we just discussed right now, we will be expecting this particular currency strength to change based on the fundamentals that are coming. Okay, so let's take a look at the let's go to the chart, and then we will continue with this video after this short commercial break.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.
All right, welcome back. So let's start from I'm going to start from NASDAQ. As you can see, where NASDAQ is right now, this is 50 EMA. So the market is below 50 EMA. So what does that tell us? That is bearish. Okay, that is bearish right there. That is bearish. So I'm not looking to buy NASDAQ except if you are trading on a lower time frame, like 5 minutes, like 15 minutes, or even 1 minute. But if you are a long-term trader, then be expecting NASDAQ, of course, to still push down up to this 13973.11. This is where I'll be looking forward to buy, or also over here 13,826. So anything that goes with NASDAQ go with other indices. So I use NASDAQ as reference to them. So let's quickly take a look at the Euro USD. Let's quickly take a look at Euro USD. I'm going to go to daily. So take a look at Euro USD. As you can see, also there is a lot of selling pressure to Euro USD, but then this is looking like a double bottom for me right there, as you can see right there. So we might push back before Wednesday, Thursday, that we're expecting the news that has to do with a Euro and USD. So we might push back to 1.10626 or even 1.11848. Then I'll be looking forward for a selling signal right there at either of those two resistance area, because this is our 50 EMA. The market, the price is below it, so definitely we are bearish also. Okay, but then this is not a good place to be selling right now. Okay, except if we break out. Okay, except if this market breaks out from here. Okay, if it breaks out from here, come back to the test, then we'll be looking forward to put a short position there. And if we put that short position there, where are we looking forward to take our profit? Definitely we'll be looking forward over here. That will be around 1.06463. And if that breaks, let's see, I mean, I don't expect it to break beyond that area actually. So this is 1.06463. If you go to weekly will be around which definitely I don't see, but this also is looking this is looking on weekly chart. This is looking like a double top on a weekly chart. This looks like a double top, and if that being the case, this will be the neck. Okay, if it gets to this 1.06463, and if that being the case, all we have to do is measure from here over here. That will be 1,867 pips. So let's take it down, 1,867 pips. So if that happens, then I won't be surprised if Euro USD push downward there. But then I mean, nobody can say what the market is going to do. All what we just do is predict and forecast, and that is exactly what we are doing. But based on what I can see right now, I don't see it going that downward, okay? Because we are right here right now, okay? We are right here, as you can see. So I expect a pullback to this point or to this point if possible, and that is where I will be looking forward for a short position. Okay, let's quickly take a look at GBP NZD. It's one of my peers that I've been monitoring for a while right now. So GBP NZD, as you can see it also, you know, it rally, come back down, rally up, come back down, and at this place right now is fighting, okay, is fighting this particular, this support now. Okay, so coming back to this place, to break out from this, come back to retest, then we'll be looking forward for over, that will be around, let's see, that will be around here, okay, 1.93365, okay. Why that? Because of this area, this will be a support, resistance, sorry, this will be a resistance right there. As you can see, sellers will be waiting. Sellers will be waiting right there, because this is the structure that we broke right there before we come down here. So we are looking forward for this particular candle. This is daily. This is daily. On this daily candle, if this, remember, if this breaks out, or if it bounces back and give us like a pin bar, then we'll be looking forward to short this pair all over again. All right, so okay, let's quickly take a look at the Aussie pairs. There's not too much to look into. Aussie, as you can see, Australian dollars is strong. Okay, Australian dollars is strong. JPY is weak, and you know, you buy the strong, you sell the weak. So this is where we are right now. We've gone. I expect a pullback. Okay, I expect a pullback. I definitely expect a pullback for Aussie JPY, at least to this this area. I mean, look at this parabolic move right there. So I expect a pullback to, and it's, the market also has gone way further from this 50 EMA. So I expect a pullback. Okay, I expect a pullback to around this 86.099. Then be looking forward for a buy opportunity around that place. That is will be for Aussie JPY. Same Aussie USD. If you go to daily, as you can see, the same thing that we talked about last week. So right now, right there, is actually the market is right there as I'm shooting this video. So if it breaks out from there, it might come back to meet with the 50 EMA, and that will be around this area. So then I'll be looking forward to put also a buy position, a buy order for Aussie USD. Now, the most talked about pair is USD JPY. This currency pair has bumped so much account, okay, of recent. Take a look. It has, this market has moved all the way over 1,130 pips. So I mean, this is a serious overbought. This is serious overbought. Now let's take a look at where we broke out. We broke out from this area. Okay, we broke out from this area, and it has been all the way. So what I will be expecting also is a pullback. It's a pullback, and we can go to 1 hour and see what is going on. See, this is really serious. So right now it touched this area, okay, and boom, break that. So two things could happen. It could pull back to this area, which is a 125.082, and of course buyers will be waiting there to put in some order and buy this pair. Or if we look at it very well, let's go to 4 hours. I won't be surprised if USD JPY crashed down to 116.316, and if that happens, then there will be buyers waiting right around here to put in a buy position, I mean buy order. So that will be what I will be expecting this week. Once again, I wish you happy Easter in advance if you are watching this early this week. Okay, and do me a favor, if you like what we are putting forth, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and this weekend I'm looking into clearing my schedule. I've missed doing a training, a webinar with you guys, so we're looking to hosting a webinar training this weekend, Easter, and maybe we'll do some Easter promo. I'll let you know as time goes on this week. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you. I love you, and do have a blessed day.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.